Hey everyone, it's Jared here, and I'm in Bad Berleburg, Germany, visiting the great people at Sonar, playing this amazing drum set on the side of a mountain, and I thought, I have to do a drum solo for you. I have to try to do a drum solo for you, and so that's what I'm going to do in just a minute. But before I do that, I wanted to share something with you. A lot of drummers talk about getting motivated to practice, and I need to get motivated. I want to practice more, right? And so they try and find ways to trick themselves into practicing more. And for me, it's not always about motivation. I think motivation is the second thing down the line. Where it starts is with inspiration. You got to find out what actually inspires you. And it's really hard to determine that, what inspires you, because the actual definition of inspiration is almost being moved by a divine influence or something you can't necessarily identify. But if you become inspired, I guarantee you will have no problem with motivation. So do whatever you need to do to get inspired, whether that's watching your favorite drummers, listening to some great music. I recently saw David Garibaldi play with Tower of Power. You can't believe how badly I wanted to get back to my drum set and start practicing, okay? I was so inspired, and the motivation just came naturally after that. So do your best to get inspired. And if there's anything we can do at Drumeo to help, just let us know. You can contact us anywhere on any of our social channels, and you can email us anywhere as well. So let's get into it. I'm gonna play you a short solo. I hope it's good. If it's not, it's gonna be really short. And if it is, it'll be a little bit longer. All right, let's have some fun.